Hello traders, welcome to my channel NDT Strategies. So today I decided why can't I go with some basics on my strategy that on what I'm working and what are the tools that I'm using to look into my strategy. So how I change my positions or how I do my adjustments on the day, because I do more than 40 to 50 trades a day. So I thought of explaining few things over there on this video. So please do watch till the end so that you'll get some idea on what I'm doing on my strategies. Okay, so I used to do trading on angel broking, you guys know about that. Other than that, I'll be using trading view to view the charts of Nifty and Bank Nifty, and also some stock level which has a high volumes on the stock levels. I'll be watching those as well to look for the direction. However, I'm doing non-directional trade, but still it justify me when I'm doing my trades. To by just looking into this, I can decide when to exit my trade if there is any sudden fall or sudden rise in the market. Okay, so I'll be using TradingView for charts, and I also use Sensible. This is one of the platform where you can, what to say, you can build the strategies, or you can look for the open interest, or you can what to say, you can exit. I mean, there is one more thing on this particular thing. In few applications or few brokers, you cannot exit all positions at once, but you can exit all your position at once here, and you can build your own strategy on this platform. So those things can be done here. So what I can do, I'll on this particular thing, I started my I started my trading in 2012, but in between I till first 6 years I was completely, if I look into my P&L, you'll be seeing only the losses. Even I'm going to share that in coming days on my losses as well. But right now, whatever that I'm getting is consistent profit because of my strategy and my system that I'm following on daily basis. So one thing to note, guys, here, you should follow your system. You should stick to your system, and you should not avoid the if you, whatever the situation you are seeing in market, you should not go away from your system. System in the sense, whatever the strategy or whatever the build that you have, you should follow it. If you're if you're making a loss of 3% on your capital, if you put your stop loss at that point, you have to come out from the market, because we have one more day to go into the market and get the profit. So you should avoid getting huge loss on the market. Then only you can survive in the market. That's what I learned from the market. Okay, so let me explain something, few things about Sensible. Okay, this is one of the tool. Even you'll get this at free of cost if you log in with your email ID. For now, I'm logging with my what to say, with my angel broking account. Okay, so let me build the strategy and show what exactly I do generally on daily basis. Once market starts at 9 o'clock, and between 9 to 9:15, what I'll do, I'll look for Nifty price where it is, and I'll build my new strategy. I'll be waiting for 9:15, but still I'll be just opening my strategies. This option premiums, put side and call side. So whenever, if there is any, for example, if this is market has been opened, now the market is at 15,435, let's say, for example I'm saying. So if that is the case, then what I'll do, first I'll buy my see, as I'm placing sell orders, it will cost you more when you're short, doing the short straddle, right? It will cost you more. So because of that, I need to hedge the positions. So first I'll buy the hedge positions, like for example, I'll buy which has lower prices, like 3 points or 4 points. in the premium, I generally I used to do 8 lots. I'm just giving you an example with by choosing 6 lots. Okay, whenever I saw 3 to 4 rupees, I'll buy those premiums to hedge my short straddles. Okay, so this is done. It will cost you around some 3,000 odd amount. So I hedged to hedge my short straddle. I bought those things. Now that then I look for what all the premiums that has 30 rupees, around 30 to 35 rupees. I'll choose those positions to sell. Okay, so if I sell, I'll sell this one, and on the call side, put side, I have sold that one, and on the call side I look 39 and 30 27 of this, so I'll go for 27, so that it will match somewhere near to the premiums that whatever that I have. Okay, so my strategy has been done. I have done my strategy here. So my strategy has got built, and it costs, the funds needed for this is around 5.59 it is showing. So but if you're doing an intraday, I mean, even in intraday the margin limits are going to change from September. There won't be any kind of margin that will be provided by the brokerages, but still for me, for now, I'm getting some margin benefits around, like for 1 lakh one, uh, if you have 1 lakh 33,000 will be provided by the brokerage from June 1st, as it is went for 75%. Okay, so funds needed is around 5 point, generally will say, let's say if you are doing a normal trade, we need funds of 5.5 lakhs. Okay, so if market stays, say for example the expiry from now, there is 3 days to expiry from now, so market is currently at 15,435. so if market stays in between 15,080 and 15,830, you will be in profits till that time. If it crosses that position, then only you have to do adjustment for your positions, and you have to act as per that. So we have a range of around almost like 800 points. So for 3 days 800 points range in the Nifty is possible. Like we will be staying in between the this position. Okay, so if market stays in between this position, on the expiry day you will see what is the profit. Let's check that. Okay, on an expiry day, that is June 3rd, your maximum profits will be like 23,638. So that's what you'll be getting on this capital. Okay, so like for 3 days, if you are getting these kind of profits, it's almost like on your capital, if you see 23,000 is almost like 5% on your capital, right? So that those kind of things happen sometimes, but I used to do only the intraday, because overnight position, carrying overnight positions, the mind will not be, you will not get sleep even sometimes. So that's how it goes. So that is the reason I will not carry forward my position. Whatever the profits, if market stays in between this range in the day, even then you will see some kind of decay in these premiums. Like from 31 might go for 28, or 27 will go for 25, some kind of decay. It's like 5 points decay also, it gives you 5 into 6, 5 points into 6, you'll be getting around what to say, 6 in the sense, 5 into 456 lots I have chosen. 6 into 75 gives you 450, 450 into 5 points, around 2000 odd amount you'll be getting. So that's how I used to, whenever there is 5 points decay or 10-point decay on these premiums, I'll come out of my positions. That's what I used to do on in daily trade. Okay, and one more thing here to notice. See, market stays in between this range on the complete day, but still, these, if there is any small change in the, if let's say 15,400 will go to 15,500, in that case these premiums will change, right? So this will go, the call option will go to somewhere around 50 to 60, and this will go to so this will move drastically if there is any increase in the call option, but this will not decay like 10 to 10 to 15 points decay will see there, but 20 points rise you'll see here. So in that case, what I'll do is, to match my positions, I will be with the stop loss, I used to put a stop loss around 10 points on each side, both the sides. So whenever this reaches 37, right, I'll be exiting this 15,650 and will moving my position to 15,700 call option. Okay, from that 15,700, if it reaches 37, right, what happens to that 50? Let's say we'll go into that strategy builder. You'll see what right now what is the price of it. So this 50,700, right? So if it reaches 37.95 or the 38 rupees, even this will go to 24 or 25 points. I'll be selling this and I'll be exiting this position on this one, and even this will go around 24 to 25. So my premium collected from this is 50 points, around 50 points. On that 50 points, I'll be waiting for the decay if there is any jump in the what to say Nifty. So that's what I used to do here. That's how I'll manage the positions on daily basis. So once everything sets till the end, if there is any kind of decay I'm seeing, then I'll come out of position with 10 points decay or 5 points. I started trading with four lots, and I increased it to 6 lots, and now that I'm trading with 8 lots. So see, that's what, right? If you're able to manage how many lots you want to manage, you can manage till that lots, you can keep on increasing that lot size, so that your profit, whatever the profit that you are getting, right, that will be increased slowly, that can be increased. So that is the reason we'll be slowly increasing this lot size and managing the position. That's what I used to do on my trading. Okay, so right now I'm trading on 8 lots. In that case, what happens, say here there is fund usage is like 8.8 lakhs, so I need to buy two more lots in the here to hedge and get that margin benefit. So if this has been reduced now, to hedge that we have to see same lot size we have to maintain, so that your fund needed will be reduced. Okay, so if you see here on a expiry day, the maximum profit that we made in 6 lots is 23,000. On this one you made around 31,000 on expiry day, but I'll not be waiting till that time. On the same day I'll be exiting, but even then on the same day the maximum profit you'll be getting is 18,000 if everything goes in a every whatever the thinking that your on your mindset happens in a right way, then the maximum profit on that day will be 18,000. Okay, so this is how I used to do on daily basis, and I'll be adjusting my positions. I just explained one adjustment here. Like this, I'll be doing like 40 to 50. Just think that I'm doing 40 to 50 trades. So how many adjustments I used to do on daily basis? You have to react to this market on daily, on even in seconds matters here. So each second matters here. You have to be sitting in front of system, and you should be watching your graph all the time. Based on that you should manage your position, then only you'll cut the losses and you'll get more profits here. Okay, so that's what I used to do. So please comment if you have any questions on my on this explanation what I did, so that I can come again. I mean, I just started working on these trainings, but I'm not sure how far it is reaching to the people. So please comment your questions or your doubts that you have, so that I'll come up with some other videos and trying I'll come up with more videos with more information on whatever the question that you have. Okay, so that's it for the day on this sensible that I'm using. That's it for the day. So please share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.